Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Fresh Exotics. We're here at a meet, as you can see behind me. It's been a while since I've uploaded. I'll be more consistent on that now that the weather's fixing to get warmer. There's more events going on, but let's check out what's out here. Some crazy crap is out here, so let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we got the keys to the 458 Speciale, so we're just going to take a look at it. So basically everything in here is carbon fiber, door panels, I mean, that's like solid. Key right there. Carbon everywhere. Super snug, super snug. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up for y'all. We're gonna, well, I guess you put the key in there and then we just turn it. Right? Is it? I guess we.
You don't turn the one. Just make sure it clicks.
Yep. Yeah. There we go.
On the brake, just press it. Yep.
Wow. I love the instrument cluster.
Yeah, you got all the controls and stuff here. Obviously your climate, but you know, who cares? It's a Speciale. Yep. It's not a
oh, this just like, it's like a little fin right here.
Yep.
Just sticks out. I got the damn Daniels on.
Fresh.
Looking fresh, because we're fresh exotics, you know what I mean? You gotta be fresh around these fresh cars. So let's go ahead and give it a couple revs.
I say leave the door open, it's gonna sound better.
Yeah. Burbles.
That was like a. So it's crazy. That's 5K, right?
Yep.
This thing red line's like above 8K.
Jesus. It looks like a red line's at 9.
That's what I'm saying. It's like 8,700. Yeah,
it's like the 812 I drove. Like the 812 like revs around the same. Like the red line's at the same area.
Yeah.
And like you could literally get to 5,000 RPM, and you're like,
there's
holy
more
shit!
Yeah.
But there's so much more to be done, and it's pretty freaking crazy. These cars, like it's ridiculous. Yep.
It's pretty nuts.
Well, how do you pop the engine compartment?
So you step out. It's on your left over your shoulder right here. There's like a little lever.
Aha! There it is, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna go ahead and step out. Take a look at that. The Ferrari, you know what I mean? Alright, let's go ahead and shut this bad boy off. And this thing's pretty sick. Sounds great. It doesn't sound like your typical 458. Definitely sounds a lot more aggressive and fucking nuts. So
yeah, it's got the race-inspired exhaust, so it's got a different exhaust setup than the 458, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
So I mean, I'm still learning. I guess I don't think y'all understand. You know, it's a car channel, and you learn as you get exposed to more cars. Like it's not. It's a lot of information, guys.
Man, you know?
Yeah, like as you experience more, you learn more, and then, yep. At least I'm not trying to pose and pretend like I know what I'm talking about. So
you see all the carbon fiber inserts, everything, all that stuff.
Yes. It's crazy.
And there's still small stuff too, like you don't really notice from the outside. You have like the way the air, or the arrow, and you have these like weird fins on the side.
Yep.
Like all that stuff.
I don't know if y'all see that.
Like all that stuff's like in additive to like the normal 458 chassis, right?
Yes. Fins right here. Carbon fin. scoop right here. You could actually see another fin right here. Alright, so let's go check out some other fun, fantastic, beautiful machines.
That's a good shot. I had to think about that for a second.
Sounds good. That thing is freaking nasty, dude. Nasty. At the Lamborghini Aventador, ladies and gentlemen. And those of you that know me personally, I never really discussed this on the channel. This is ultimate dream car right here. This is goals right here. This is what I want. It doesn't have to be specifically a SVJ, but just an Aventador, man. There's just something about them. That V12 single clutch, like that drama, it's just, I need it in my life. Look at all this, man. This is just, it's literally a fighter jet in here. Like, it is crazy. Gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I am in the DDE Lamborghini Twin Turbo Huracan. And legit got the Alcantara. Just, this is the car that inspired me to start my channel, and this is a sentimental moment for me. We got the LaFerrari next to us, and this thing is sick. This thing's iconic. Y'all know about it. And yeah, let's take a look on the outside too. Fucking exhaust can kill somebody, I swear. No turbo action. I swear. So crazy seeing that car in person, I swear. Video doesn't do it justice. Thing is absolutely bananas. The LaFerrari here.
That's the one thing you drive is you have to have like well, no, he's with tag.
Oh yeah.
Yes, you can park like.
Pretty good turnout, and I think we're gonna wrap it up. The homeboys are going to go on a stroll, and more content to come. Stay tuned. Give me some rev action, Hell yeah, we got the LaFerrari and the DD Tire Slayer. Woo-wee, that junk is crazy. Man, goals, man, goals. So the meet is wrapping up. Got all the homeboys heading out, and we're just gonna get the flybys. You gotta get the flybys, always. And GTR coming up. exit door. All turbo. It's yes, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's my turn. It's my turn. My turn. I want to send it. I want to send it a little bit. You know what I mean? Here we go. Here we go. All right, man. Take it easy. Good turnout, dude.
Absolutely. We'll do it again.
All right, for sure. See you, Evan.
Hey, launch control.
Launch control. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we are back in the F-Type, and we are following the 458 Speciale, and we're fixing to get into some shenanigans. Haven't been shenanigans in a while, so it is definitely past due, and about to get into the fun stuff. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. Slayer wants it. Let's see. Freaking sick doing the pool with the Tire Slayer. I got smoked, of course. I mean, just about every car that I've ever featured on my channel smokes me, but that's okay with me. You know what I mean? Like that's totally fine. Just being a part of it, just enjoying the experience. You know, I don't mind getting clapped. But man, this is what it's all about. Spring's around the corner, and this stuff is about to be every weekend. Like, we're about to be doing shenanigans, so y'all stay tuned, and let's just get to it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I've been getting a lot of positive feedback on my previous videos and kind of been bombarded with questions on, hey, when are you gonna upload the next one? So there y'all go. I just want to upload something, just a quick little teaser on what to expect in the future and what's about to unfold this summer. A lot of exciting content to come. Been very busy, and I'll try my best to keep the uploading consistent. And thank y'all for the love and support. Last video got 4,000 views already, and that's crazy. Like, it's like the growth is definitely noticeable, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And stay tuned and remain loyal and stay motivated. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. Peace.